3406.
I saw some videos, I read instructions online from other guys that have this radio. I tried to make it work their way, it didn't. They said about setting up a channel and putting as contact an APRS ID talk group and stuff like that. But I didn't have to do any of this. Okay, my way, what I found working here in Greece, I say again, is much simpler. It's kind of manual, I will explain why, but it's totally simple and it works just fine. Let's see what you can do in the CPS or in the radio from the APRS menu. It's exactly the same thing. Let's say that you're in a digital channel, since this radio has only digital APRS, so you have to be in a digital channel of a repeater to send out your APRS GPS data. And at least for me here in Greece, I had to know if the repeater was a BrandMeister one or a DMR Plus one. And this is because I had to select the appropriate number to put in the APRS menu of the radio. There is the second item of the APRS menu of the radio, please look it up. It is upload ID. And this upload ID is here in the CPS what it says upload number. Now, if we have our GPS on in the radio and it has acquired the signal and we are in a digital repeater channel, it will automatically send our GPS data every given seconds that we have put over here in this menu. At this time, I have selected 120. So every 120 seconds, it will send out my APRS GPS data. In order for this to work, if the repeater is a DMR Plus repeater, what I have to put here in the upload number is 9057. And why is that? Because 9057 is the talk group that in its repeater, in its DMR Plus repeater, receives my GPS data to display them in a site like aprs.fi. So you don't need to make a channel just for this purpose. In any digital repeater that receives your signal, again, I'm talking about what happens here in Greece. I sincerely hope it is the same for your country. Don't get confused by other DMR radios and their settings. I'm talking about this DMR, the Baofeng DM-32UV. So in any DMR repeater that we are connected to, you have to put in the APRS menu a number which is the talk group of the APRS reception data in this repeater. Again, I'm showing this example for DMR Plus repeaters, and here you can see, if you search online the DMR Plus talk group, here we have those numbers here that work. This is if you want to declare that you have a fixed, it's a fixed position, or this is if it's a home, 9055, a camping area, 9056, if we are portable, like I declared, 9057, if you're on a boat or mobile with a car. Those are all the numbers. You don't need anything else. You just have to know your repeater is DMR Plus, and you have to put this 9057 in the APRS menu where it says upload ID. Now, if you are in a BrandMeister repeater, you have to change this, and this is the manual part that doesn't happen automatically. You have to change this number to the appropriate BrandMeister talk group for the GPS data, which in Greece is 202999. This talk group in BrandMeister repeaters receives the GPS data from APRS transmission and displays them in the known maps. So that's all I have to do in order to transmit my APRS correctly. I don't have to select a special channel. I don't have to be in any private call with a talk group of APRS. I just have to go to the menu, APRS, upload ID, select one of those two numbers, 202999 from BrandMeister or 9057 for DMR Plus. And my radio, when I turn the GPS on, every 120 seconds, it will transmit my location to aprs.fi. So I'm going to show you live right now how this works.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you very quickly because the screen is not very visible in the sunlight. I'm in a DMR repeater here, as you can see. So I'm going to APRS menu of the radio over here, select the second item which says upload ID, and we go to 9057 since this is a DMR Plus repeater. Okay, and now it will transmit every 120 seconds as I have put in the menu my GPS position to the network, but I can make that happen quickly if I press the shortcut I have put. Okay, as you can see, it sent my APRS GPS data and we'll see it on the map.
Okay, and since I uploaded my GPS data to the APRS network, let's see Here I am. Perfect. That was it. You just have to know if you're on a BrandMeister repeater, DMR Plus repeater, or any other repeater network. For DMRs, find the appropriate doc group and put it in the upload ID of APRS menu. That's all.